Multiple people are dead and thousands forced to evacuate their homes, after heavy rains and devastating flooding struck parts of northern Italy. Authorities in Emilia-Romagna said, more rain is expected throughout the region, as rescue operations continue. 14 rivers burst their banks in the region, flooding 23 towns, forcing people in cities such as Cesena to climb onto the roof of their buildings to escape incoming water. The region, which has been suffering a prolonged drought, is under a red alert. The Emilia Romagna Grand Prix, scheduled for this weekend, has been cancelled and the site evacuated. Flooding occurred in 41 municipalities, while an even greater number reported landslides. Thousands of farms in the fertile agricultural area were also affected. Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni, in Japan for the G7 summit, tweeted her support for those affected and said the government was ready to intervene with the necessary aid. From lengthy droughts to severe flooding, the intensity of water-related disasters around the world has increased over the last 2 decades, as global temperatures climb to record levels.